Welcome back. We have Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission joining us this morning. Now, kicking off February, it's Bake for Family Fun Month. So it's time to get the kids in the kitchen and bake some sweet treats. What are we making today, Charlene?
I love this month because
Yes.
it's so great. Like you said, get the kids in the kitchen. We are actually making a blueberry maple muffin. And muffins are one of the easiest recipes for kids to make. Doesn't require a lot of utensils,
exactly.
and a little bit of stirring. But the whole idea of Bake for Family Fun Month is sharing family traditions too. Like muffins might be one, but in your house, do you have a favorite recipe that's
my grandma's
a tradition?
apple pie. I mean, my dad makes pies too, so probably just like pies and just getting in there, getting your hands a little dirty with the flour and just having a good time with the family.
And that's perfect. And that's exactly what we wanted to share. So for everyone out there that has a family recipe, get your kids in the kitchen doing it and pass that tradition down in your family. So what I have here is the soy flour blend, and we are going to add a little bit of sugar there. It's 1/4 cup. And then we have cinnamon, baking powder, a little bit of baking soda, and a little bit of salt here. And then I'll let you add those blueberries. It's a cup of blueberries. And I like to put them in now because it kind of coats them and then it separates them.
That's great.
Now you have more maple syrup here. This is a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. And then we're going to add to that some vegetable oil to that.
Alrighty.
And some vanilla soy milk. Great. An egg, and then a little bit of vanilla.
Alrighty.
And you're going to whisk this. And if you have 2 children in your family, this is the perfect recipe. One can do the dry ingredients, and one can do the
and kids
liquid
love to
ingredients.
stir
They
too.
love
It's
to
so
stir.
fun.
And you know, there's a task for all ages, because if mom measures the flour or dad, then the smallest child can dump it in. They love to do that.
Oh, that's so fun.
Perfect. Elise, you can go ahead and pour that in here. And one of the tricks to having a great muffin is not to overstir it. So tell your kids to just mix it until they don't see any more flour. This recipe will make 12 muffins. And then for just an added little gourmet treat to it, it has a little bit of a maple glaze that we put on after they've cooled, and you can see that gloss on there that makes them yummy.
The kids will certainly love that.
They will,
I'm sure.
they will.
Well, Charlene, if people want to find out these recipes for, the month of February, where can they do so?
Yes, go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, and you can also call our 800 number, 877 KS Soybean.
Wonderful, Charlene, as always. Thanks so much for being with us. Happy to have you. Stick around. We'll be right back.